What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to the machine shop in Bay City where we dropped the heads off. You can check that out in the last video, which maybe a couple of videos ago. But anyway, the link will be up here in the corner. Just click on that, go check that video out, and then come back here and watch this one. But we're gonna take a ride. We're gonna go get these valve springs. We're almost to the point where we're gonna finish slapping this motor together and slap it back in the Camaro, and it's gonna be nasty.
Have they seen the valve springs?
No, I didn't show them the valve springs.
Okay, so while we're driving, I'll show you all the valve springs. Go ahead.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, okay. It's having some technical difficulties. What's this? Tapes. But they're the Lunati. I'll get the part number. They'll be down below in the description. But they're for the Lt1s. I talked to Lloyd Elliott, and these are actually the ones he recommended. They are the, to be exact, part numbers right here. They're 73925K5. There's a spring kit that goes for the cam that I have. That also came from Lunati, so it kind of matches it all. But we're gonna go get these put on today, and then we're gonna grab the heads. So let's take a ride. We got a far one. It's time to get the heads. So we're gonna take these in there and see what they say. Dependable machine. Wow. It's been a while since we've been here, you know it?
Yeah.
Because the incident, and it's been a while. So, we're gonna go in here and see what he says. Oh, hold on. We gotta follow the coronavirus rule stuff, whatever it is. So can't even go back there and film like we did last time. But
Yeah, due to social distancing, we cannot go back in the back this time to record the springs being put on the heads, but
it's okay.
it is what it is. Damn coronavirus.
So I gotta get the double clip and then it's like, it is what it is. But look, guys, so to set the springs in, to do the valve job and repair the heads, it was $423. Car parts. That's what they do to you. They just like break you, you know, they just like take all your money out of your pocket. It's just like, here, car, take it. Goodbye. And they took all my money, you know. So now, you know what would really help if you went and liked and subscribed and comment down below. That way we can afford to do more stuff like this. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. But he said like 15 to 20 minutes, so hopefully it's not that. They do a lot of stuff here. I mean, look how big that rock is over there. I don't know if they can see that. Everyone's standing up. Maybe you can zoom in. So yeah, this place is pretty cool. I like this place. They do lots of work. Just check out these pistons. One day I'll be able to put some forged pistons and
Diamond pistons.
oh man. Oh, and also if you want to know, yes, I'm still wrapped up like a burrito for now, because like I had it all wrapped and it was doing like really good, and then yesterday I like hit it on the weight and then this kid just like fell off, so I'm back to square one. And it's a lot of pain, so so guys, make sure to follow the corona rules and stay safe out there.
Alrighty.
Alright. You got the cam that goes in springs, right?
Yes, sir.
Already in the motor.
Ready to go.
That's a pretty good springs.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is. Thank you so much.
Check those out. They look sick. They're ready to rock.
Ready to roll. Hell yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. What are we gonna do now? Go.
I don't know. Probably grab a bite to eat and then we'll ease on back to the house.
Don't leave just yet. Don't leave just yet. I know you about to click off this video. Don't you do it.
Yeah, we ain't done yet.
Yeah, so you better stay there.
Get in.
Look at that drive-thru's backed up.
We're at Sonic, dude. You don't go through no drive. Are you kidding me? Come on, dude. Be smarter than this. Whoa. Come on now, Captain.
Flip that mirror.
Hit the button. Hit the nitrous button.
Push the button. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push the button.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
Golden. Can I open them up or no?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
No. Said no, guys. Sorry, I can't show you. I can show you getting these babies out. They're heavy. Got the new valve springs, the locks, the retainers, everything in it.
New valves.
Yeah, new valves. I forgot to get new valves.
Flip them over. Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, brother. That's what I'm talking about, ain't you guys? Where can I set these beautifuls at? Oh, beautiful.
Stand them up on their end. Don't lay them down flat.
No.
All right, guys. So we made it back to the house. Picked up the heads safe and sound. We're going to get them put away and...
Hey, you know what else happened today that always happens that never happened today? We didn't get chased down or by some crazy guy.
Hey! Hey! Why are you mad?
No, you're not. He was scaring me. Like, I don't know what I was doing.
I don't know what the hell that was about.
I wonder if it was because I was taking pictures of Kyle's car.
Might have been the road rager mad because we wasn't speeding. I'm asking him like, what is your problem? And he won't answer. He just gets madder and madder.
He just like, he started like banging his head on the steering wheel. Like, that was scary. I'm gonna be honest, guys. People are crazy. Start carrying a gun. They wouldn't understand it.
But with all that said, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment down below.
Hey, you better smash or else I've got a brick in my hand. Kidding, guys, I'll let you do that too.
But y'all know what to do. Hold on tight till the next episode. We're out. Peace.